Okay, so I will start now chapter number 13. Okay, so I hope that you have already matched your answer of PT2 exam. Okay, that key answer I have already given you. Okay, and you might have come to know that where you have committed the mistake. Okay, so now this is the time to move ahead now. Now chapter number 13 name is motion and time. Okay, so try to understand. Last year you have got some idea about the motion. Have you got it or not? Okay, that sir might have taught you. What is the motion? What is motion? Just tell me. Hello, no one is speaking. What is it?
Changing the position of an object changing the position of an object or movement of an object from one position to other position.
So now same thing I have written on the blackboard, same thing you are reading. Actually, what is the meaning of motion? Changing the position of an object or movement of an object from one position to other position, that is called motion. Okay, last year you have studied about different types of motion like straight line motion, circular motion, periodic motion. And now in your book they have given so many examples, like just see examples of motions. Soldiers in a march past, what kind of motion this one? Please classify. Soldiers in a march past, they are
Rectilinear motion.
straight line motion. Straight line. Hello. Straight line motion is only known as rectilinear motion. Okay, bullock cart moving on a straight road. Bullock cart moving in a straight road, what is that one? That is straight line motion or rectilinear motion. Next one is hands of an athlete in a race. Periodic motion, what is that one? Periodic motion. Okay, next one is pedal of a bicycle in a motion. What kind of motion this one? Circular motion. Circular motion. Next one is motion of the earth around the sun. What kind of motion? What is it?
Circular motion.
Yes, motion of the earth around the sun. That is one type of circular motion. Okay, next one is motion of a swing.
Periodic motion.
Periodic motion. Motion of a pendulum. Periodic motion. Periodic motion. So just see, these are the motions which means we are coming across in our daily life. Okay, we are also doing different kinds of motion. Okay, but those motion may be straight line motion, rectilinear motion, circular motion or periodic motion. Okay, now question arises here, do you think that all kinds of motions are same only? Some motion may be fast, means motion of an object may be fast, may be slow, correct or not? So try to understand, there are two types of motion according to their speed. Number one is called slow motion. If distance traveled by an object in given time is less, it is called slow motion or slow speed. Fast means if distance traveled by an object in a given time is more, it is called fast motion. Correct or not? Have you got it or not? How you will decide that one object is fast or slow? Means whatever distance that object will cover in given time, that only will decide their speed or not. Try to understand. Suppose I want to go to Gulbarga from here. Are you getting my point or not? Suppose distance is near about 120 kilometer. Okay. If one car cover that distance in 2 hours only and another car travel same distance in 3 hours, So now which car has traveled the given distance in less time? That is fast. Means if given distance traveled in less time, speed is fast. Now if given distance is traveled by an object in more time, that is called slow. Am I correct or not? Are you getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir, we are getting.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is there? Whether speed is fast or object is slow or fast, that will be determined on the basis of distance traveled by an object. Am I correct or not? So if distance traveled by an object in given time is less, it is called slow motion or slow speed. If distance traveled by an object in given time is more, it is called fast motion. It is called fast motion. Okay. Now just see. You can see some object. Just see. Now I will show you the diagram. Just see. Here so many cars they are traveling. They are traveling or not? See here also. Yes. Now just tell me, how you will decide that which car is fast, which car is slow? We can decide on the basis of distance traveled in a given time. Am I correct or not? So in our daily life there are so many examples of fast and slow motions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now there is a talk of one more thing, that is called speed. What is that one? Speed. So what is the speed? The distance covered by an object in a unit time. Unit time means time. What are the different units of time? The different units of times are second, minute, hour, sometime years. Am I correct? Sometime days also. Am I correct or not? So the distance covered by an object in a unit time, that is called speed. What is the name of that one? Speed. Now speed may be of two types. Speed, I will tell you what are the different types of speed. So now in a nutshell what we can say, speed is nothing but a distance covered divided by time taken. It is written this side or not? You can check. Just see. It is written or not?
Sir, your video is paused, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Now it's clear, sir. Sir, please continue, sir.
Okay. So what is the definition of speed? Speed is nothing but a distance covered divided by time taken. Distance covered divided by time taken. Now if distance covered is more, okay. Now further I will elaborate all those things. Right now you write down this formula only. The distance covered by an object in a unit time, that is called speed. So speed equal to distance covered divided by time taken. Okay. Time taken may be in second, maybe minute, maybe hour, maybe years. Okay. So these are the concept of speed motion. Okay. Now just see, try to understand here one problem in the speed. What is that problem? Try to understand. Suppose we want to go to Bengaluru. Okay. Then what is there? So I have board on car or any bus. So do you think that from Bijapur to Bengaluru the speed of car will be same? No. Somewhere its speed may be more, somewhere its speed may be less. Suppose from kilometer 1 to kilometer 100, their speed was 120 kilometer per hour. But after that its speed is 60 kilometer per hour. And again their speed reached to 80 kilometer per hour. Means there is a fluctuation in the speed. So how you will decide that what is the speed of that car? So we will use the average. What is that average? What is the average speed? Total distance covered divided by total time taken. Okay. now let it be any speed. I don't have any problem. In 100 kilometer, what was there its speed? After 100 kilometer, what was its speed? We will not worry about that one. What we will take, average distance, means average is what to say, time taken. Average means total time taken. Am I correct or not? So that is why the speed concept we will study in terms of average speed. We shall use the term speed for average speed, because speed is the total distance covered divided by total time taken. So whatever formula I have written there, we can modify that one. Okay, how we can write? Okay, I will apply now color mic and will go toward the blackboard and will write that one. Okay, so speed, hello, hello.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay, so just a minute, I will apply the color mic and will go.
Sir, your video is blur, sir.
So now from your end problem is there, my end now it's okay. Your
video is okay.
okay, okay. So just see here, I will rub upper side. Just see here. Okay, just see. So this is speed which I wrote here. I can write in this way: average speed. Average speed. Average speed equal to total distance covered divided by total time taken. This is the concept of average speed. Am I audible and visible to you? Hello, please indicate. Hello. Okay, next one is non-uniform and uniform motion. Okay, just there are two more terms: uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. What is uniform motion? If an object moves with constant speed over long distance. Or long duration of time. Long duration of time. Non-uniform motion. Long uniform motion. If an object moves with if an object does not move with constant speed, that is called non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Am I audible and visible to you? Hello? Please indicate. Okay. So this is the types of motion on the basis of speed. Now here you can write your homework also. Okay, just see. So today, see the homework. Number 1, question number 1. What is motion? What is motion? Question number 2. What is speed? Question number 3. What do you mean by uniform and non-uniform motion? Okay. Now question number 4. Give some examples of straight line motion. Next one is periodic motion. Third one is circular motion. Okay, have you got it? So these are your questions. Just a minute. Yes. Have you got it or not? Yes. Hello. So okay, I have removed now caller mic. You can speak. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So I have started this chapter. Now remaining chapters, remaining topic of this chapter I will teach later on. And because today onwards your vacation will start, so just see, I would like to assign you some holiday homework. Okay, what is the holiday homework? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just try to understand. So far how many chapters I have completed? So far how many?
12 chapters, sir.
Chapter number 12. Till chapter number 12 I have completed. Okay. So whatever diagrams are there, right from chapter number 1 to chapter number 12. Now time to time I have told you diagram. Told or not? Like digestive system of human being, respiratory system, whatever diagram is there. Okay, just make one separate file and draw all those diagram, only diagram, and their leveling, no description. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Did you?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
One drawing book, sir.
If you have got drawing book, then no problem.
Sir.
But those diagrams should be very neat and labeled. Okay, and on the basis of that only I will give you subject enrichment marks.
Sir, if we make in paper and staple it, it will okay, sir?
Now means do one thing, you can make in the A4 size paper, I don't have any problem, but it should be in the file form. Okay,
Okay, sir.
in all chapter at least 1-2 diagrams are there or not?
Yes, there are, sir.
In some chapters more than 3 diagrams are there, like human heart, respiratory system,
Yes,
then
sir.
what is their
Yes,
flower, reproductive part, means that diagram is there. And now more than 1 month time is there, not more than 1 month, near about 1 month time is there. If 1-2 diagram daily you will make, that will be over. Correct or not? So
Yes, sir.
one thing, and
holiday, sir.
now this is the first holiday homework. What is the second holiday homework? Just see, till chapter number soil I have tested you. Tested or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now chapter number 10, 11 and 12. Chapter number 10, 11 and 12. Okay, 10, 11 and 12 you have to revise it, because soon after reopening of school I may conduct the test. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So see, till chapter number 9 almost so many exam, means monthly test was there, then what was there, periodic test was there. So almost all chapters I have gone through, and you have written the exam. Okay, and now what is there, chapter number 10, 11, 12 you should keep revising. Okay, I will conduct the test. Okay, any problem? Okay, so in
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
what kind of doubt?
Hello, sir.
Just a minute,
Hello.
just a
Sir,
minute.
due to the network problem, sir, I didn't hear the first homework, sir. What is the first homework, sir?
First homework, make diagram from chapter number 1 to chapter number 9. No, sorry, chapter number 12. Whatever diagrams are there in each chapters. Now those diagram already you have made in your what to say, notebook, but in separate file it should be. Hello?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in textbook it is given that an object moving along a straight line with a constant speed is said to be uniform motion, sir.
Listen here, if an object move with constant speed over a long distance or long duration of time, so just try to understand, constant speed can only be there when it is a what to say, straight line. Actually I should mention that word, I have not mentioned. Have you got it or not? Constant speed can only be maintained when it is a straight line motion. Okay, let me add that word. Okay, just a minute. Moves with constant speed an object move with a constant speed along straight line over long distance. Here if an object does not move along a straight line with constant speed. Okay, that is now correct. Okay, hello. Yes, Spurti. Now it is correct now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that constant speed means straight line should be mentioned. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
so okay, happy vacation, happy Dasara, happy Diwali.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir. Same to you, sir. And same to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Same to you, sir.
Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Stay safe. Stay at home. Okay. And meantime do the some work also. Academic oriented work. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.